Hi students, welcome to chemistry online classes. Now I am discussing about how to draw some projections or models. That is called molecular representation. Then last class I discussed about the line wedge or flying wedge or bond wedge. Flying wedge, bond, line wedge, okay? Flying wedge. These two another thing maybe are not available, that you just consider. So that part is completed. In that eclipse part also completed and stagger also completed. Now Saha's projection. Now take the ethane. In ethane, this carbon I want to consider front. This is considered back. This is a carbon-carbon bond. Here CH3. Here also CH3. If I am looking like this is a front carbon to me. This is its back carbon. Not for me back carbon. Got the point? Because understanding very important. Back carbon they will see back side. No, that is not. It's back carbon. Otherwise it is away to me. It is away carbon. This is front carbon. Got the point? For me this is front. This is away. For this is back. Got the concept now? So now depends upon your consideration. I want to know this front. This is away. You can guess this is front. This is away. From where you are looking, like this is front, this is away. If you look like this is the front, this is away. It depends upon the observer who are observing this molecule. Now, in between the carbon-carbon bond denoted by the inclined line. Otherwise, from this vertical line, 30-degree angle. I am not measuring with the scale. Just observe this 30-degree angle from this vertical line. Front carbon down, away carbon up. Here how many groups are there? Atoms are group 3. Here also 3. So these are represented by 120-degree angle. 120-degree angle, 120, 120. Here how many are there? 120-degree angle. This may be somebody represent like this also, because you should know like this. Because we are not measuring with the scale exactly 120. So somebody will write up, somebody will write down also. It depends upon your consideration. Clear this? Hydrogen. Otherwise I will write for your understanding clear. I will write down only. Hydrogen. Up also write, down also write, no problem. But that should be little bit about to this inclined line, not exactly up. Okay. Now, this is eclipsed form or staggered form, how to identify. Because in examination, what they will give, which of the following structure is eclipsed in Sahar's projection. Now, what I have given this structure of ethane is eclipsed form or staggered form. First, you should know what is eclipsed. Eclipsed means angle should be 0. And staggered means what is it? 180 or 60? Now, this question again arises. 60 also, 180 also. So we learn 180, but you are telling 60, how it is? I will explain the human relation. Don't worry. Here you can't identify it exactly 60, 180. So for ethane, 60 also, 180 also. For remaining molecule, 180. Okay? That's how we will discuss. Now tell this which form? Eclipsed or staggered form? Eclipsed. Then how we are identifying? Only some should know. Okay, directly they are telling like eclipsed. But what is the reason to tell this is a eclipse? This angle is 0. This angle is 0. This angle is 0. By looking, I am not identifying as how. Then take the 2y shape molecule. 2y like this is y like this. Inverted y these are. Inverted y if you put like this and observe, then which one? Front only appear, back will not appear. Yes or no? Therefore, how to identify eclipse? Two inverted y's are given here. Inverted y shape this is. This inverted y. Otherwise, like this also may be given. Then that is eclipsed form. Now, again I will write the one more eclipsed form. How? One I will keep like this only. I will keep another is like this. Sorry, this is which one form? Eclipsed or staggered? Staggered. These are opposite. In staggered form, what is it? One is inverted y another is y. Otherwise, this is y, this is inverted y. Then, if like this is given, no need to see what is the angle directly. We can say answer staggered or eclipsed. This is one short form how to identify the eclipsed and staggered in Sahar's projection. This much only. Generally, we are not using this structure for complete expression of any other molecule. Just it is which one? Side view. Yes. This type of view is called Newman projection. Only which is appear front carbon appear, back carbon not appear. Like this, if you observe, these both are appearing. This somewhat side view. Got the concept? Newman projection is end on view. End on view. This is. That is Newman projection. Because this word also may be given. Which of the Newman projection is end on view, side view, or any other view? They will give names. Then you have to identify that also. Now, this much only about the Sahar's projection. Now, Newman projection is important. Projection or model, that is same here. Okay. Now again I am taking same ethane only first. Here, this is for example front carbon, this is back carbon to this, not to me. Then it is what FB, not Facebook here. So this is front, this is back carbon. Now, front carbon denoted like this. Away carbon or back carbon denoted like this. That's the answer. Otherwise, if you want clearly, front carbon denoted by the dot, away carbon denoted by the circle. Not look like a circle, you make it circle. Okay. Now, at this front carbon, how many groups are there? 3. The 3 groups are with 120-degree angle. Here also 3 groups are with 120-degree angle, but they are projected from the out. They are projecting out from the circle. Okay. So like this, projecting out. That is what do you call it? Circumference? Or what do you call it in mathematics? From outside, not this inside. So like this, you have to project. This is back carbon. This is front carbon. Together, right, like this. Got the answer there? This is front. This is back. Together, like this. So now here eclipse should also be staggered also. This form is this back carbon, this is a front carbon. Always try to draw the eclipsed form, then we draw the staggered form. This is easy for to draw the many other structures. So this is first carbon having how many hydrogen? 3. 1, 2, 3. Actually this is only the structure. Because if you see front only appear, this is also appear. Front only. So here whatever hydrogen is there, here also hydrogen is there. Exactly angle how much? This angle. Exactly 0. It means this finger will appear, this finger will not appear. Not appear will not represent. But to understand purpose, we are just indicating a side. Actually will not appear. But also we are representing why that hydrogen is there to understand the visual. Those are who are watching this or maybe seeing this on paper or board, they should understand hydrogen also is there, but exactly backside. The purpose only side we are representing this. But actually should not represent. On paper, if you not represent, what will understand? Not they will understand. The purpose only are writing here. This is eclipsed form. This angle is how much? 0. Theta is equal to 0. This is also known as torsional angle, or also known as dihedral angle. Dihedral angle. These words important for competitive exam. What is the torsional or dihedral angle? See, this one is a carbon-carbon bond. Front carbon, back carbon. Now this is the angle which separates CH bond of back carbon or front carbon. Anyone, this is front carbon. The angle which separates CH bond on one carbon and CH bond on other carbon, or front and back carbon also. That is a dihedral angle. Dihedral angle is a three-dimensional angle, not two-dimensional angle. Okay. Now you have to remember this eclipsed form. Otherwise, in book, open book structure like H2O2 may be studied in the first year. Studied that. So in that, like this also is there. I think this H, here O, H. Right. Here, this angle is dihedral angle. This angle is bond angle. So that also don't confuse. So once again you refer your first year textbook. In that dihedral angle, this is given, this is bond angle given. Okay, that is three dimension. So now eclipsal form. This is any one front carbon you can rotate or back carbon you can rotate. Which one you want? Back. Clockwise you can rotate or anti-clockwise rotate. That is called counter-clockwise also. Anti-clockwise meaning what? Counter-clockwise. Any one direction you can rotate. There is no problem here. Which direction you want? Clockwise. Okay. Back carbon now I am rotating. Back carbon 60-degree rotating here. How much? 60 degree. Then front carbon fixed position. Any one is fixed, another is rotating. Front carbon fixed. Back carbon just clockwise rotated now. How much? 60 degree. This hydrogen comes to here. This hydrogen comes to here. This hydrogen comes to here. So now this angle, dihedral or torsional angle. Then what is angle here? 60 degree. Which form this is? Eclipse or staggered form? Then what is angle is there now here? Then whatever you told that 180 degree, 60 also is there. Therefore, in ethane this is possible. 60 degree or 180 degree. So if you come to the exam, they may give staggered form having 0, 60, 180, both B and C. Like is given. Which option is B and C? In ethane. In other form, it depends upon the group, it is changing that position. Clear this is? Then which is more stable now? This is staggered form. Staggered form. Then which is more stable? Eclipsed more stable or staggered more stable? Staggered one more stable. What is the reason? They may give the question like this in exam. In ethane, staggered form is more stable due to option 4 may be 4 option given. Then which option is suitable? I am not giving option. You just tell the answer now. Which repulsion there? Hydrogen. Hydrogens are very small only there. Then that for example, hydrogen repulsion. What do you call that repulsion? That name should be required. Steric repulsion you call. Steric repulsion means what is that? Steric indifference like is what you may study in the second year also little bit. Steric indifference means what is that? Space occupiers. If bulky groups are there, they occupy the space and they will get some repulsion. That is steric repulsion. When it is possible, when bulky groups, larger groups are present. Now there are larger groups? No. Smaller groups. Then which type of repulsion is present here? See, one bond means what is that? 2 electrons. One bond means 2 electrons. This electron repulsion. Electron negative charge, other electron negative charge. So this bond electron and second bond electron repulsion takes place. Okay? This is called torsional strain. What do you call this is? Torsional strain. Strain means like angle strain type. So due to this electron repulsion, whatever the energy increase, repulsion means energy increase, keep in mind. Energy increase means that is unstable. Any molecule with a higher energy that is unstable. Any molecule with a lower energy that is stable. So due to this repulsion, energy increase. Why energy increase? To stabilize that, we have to use some extra energy. Because already there are repulsion. To stop that repulsion, we have to use some energy. Then energy automatically what happens? Increase. So this is called torsional strain. Torsional strain means what is that? bond pair of electron in front carbon and back carbon, that repulsion is known as a torsional strain. Otherwise, simple definition is the repulsion between the front and back carbon CH bond. The repulsion between the front and back carbon CH bond. There is more in eclipsal form. Here also is there, but these are 60-degree angle separation. Here less. So torsional strain here very less. Here maximum. That is less stable. Here more stable. But another explanation also is given. In our textbook will not appear. But if you read, maybe may get, I don't know. But another explanation is there. This is stabilized by hyperconjugation. So we will not study this hyperconjugation for this one. So what is that? Staggered form is stabilized by hyperconjugation. It is based on molecular orbital theory. That is somewhat higher level, so I can't draw the diagram. But they may ask in the competitive exam, staggered form is stabilized by which one? Hyperconjugation. That is clear explanation. That this repulsions. Okay, so that is important for competitive. Note down that point. Why staggered form is more stable due to hyperconjugation. What is hyperconjugation here? Movement of bonding electron into anti-bonding electron. Anti-bonding empty electron. So you know that. Normal hyperconjugation, you know, resonance, hyperconjugation, inductive effect like this. So same explanation that. Why staggered form stable means simple one word, hyperconjugation. Clear? What is the torsional strain? Torsional strain is the repulsion between the bond pair of electron of front and back carbon CH bond. That is the torsional strain. That is also very important. Sometimes definition also they may ask directly. Okay. Another form is there. In your textbook given, that is called skew form. What is a skew form? You may have this skew form word. Front carbon I am not changing, back carbon only. Clear? Now tell what is the angle between this. Now we are not using the scale to measure this, so we can't tell it. If like this is there, I told you the 60, but it is this form and this form look like the same? No. It means it is not 60, it is not 180, it is not 0. It is other than the 3 angles. Got the point? We cannot say other than 3 angles, only 2 angles we can say here. Because 180 nothing but 60 only. Got the concept? So other than 0 and 60 degree angle, whatever other one, we don't know that angle. So that other angle is known as here skew form. So this form exists with the other than 0 and 60 degree angle. Sometimes they will ask the question also, which of the following is skew form? 0 degree, 60 degree, 180, other than these. Other than this. Got the concept? So I am not telling you which angle is one. It may be other than 0, it may be 40 also, 50 also, but not 60. Or maybe more than 60 not possible, because this is 60 means before this is not more than 60. It may be 50, 40 like this one. If here is there, we can say 120 like this, but it is not 120 also. Got the concept now? So skew form also important for competitive exam. Now skew form is chiral or achiral. Now optical isomerism, just correcting this concept. Now if you cut this molecule, first one, you will get equal. You will get equal or not? Cut this one. Mirror image, mirror image, mirror image. No? It means plane of symmetry present or not? You know that plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, symmetry element. If chiral carbon is there, if you cut the molecule, you will not get the plane of symmetry. If achiral molecule is, if you cut the molecule, you will get the two equal halves. The equal halves are mirror image to each other. So now consider human being only. If you cut like this, external parts are mirror image to each other. And mirror image, leg mirror image is also mirror. But inside part heart and leg is not there yet. Okay? So plane of symmetry present or not? Present. So that is Plane of symmetry present means achiral. Plane of symmetry absent means chiral. So here plane of symmetry present or not? Here not. So this is called achiral. When you call chiral, it is skew form is chiral. Then immediately in your mind should be strike this optically active or inactive. Chiral means what you call optically active. Achiral means what you call optically inactive. But this is not optically active. Why? See, concepts again how increasing step by step. Skew form is chiral but not optically active. Reason, one statement is there. In a molecule, any one of the conformer, these are conformers, not configuration isomers, these are conformers by due to CC single bond rotation. Any one of the conformer is having plane of symmetry or center of symmetry or achiral, then that is not optically active. These all three are which one? Conformer. This is chiral, but these are achiral. Any one is achiral, then that is optically inactive. Because again it is interconvertible, no faster. Dynamic meaning what is it? Within very fraction of second it convert to another form. It is converted again in this form. There is not exist long time. When long time is not exist, then how we can separate? When you are not separating, then you can't identify the optical isomerism. Therefore, it is not optically active. But we can say chiral. Chiral we can say, but not optically active. Okay, so this is about the what do you call eclipse staggered skew form. Then they will ask the question: conformational analysis. Conformational analysis meaning what is it? A study of energy of these conformers with the angle of rotation. Here this is E, energy. This is angle of rotation. This graph is known as a conformational analysis, which is unstable in this. I am not discussing this one because it is not that much we are discussing. These are discussing. In these two, tell which is less stable, which is more stable. Stagger more stable, this is less stable. More stable means lower energy or higher energy? Unstable means higher energy. So I am starting from here. Like this. This is E means eclipse. E has been staggered. Eclipse, staggered, eclipse, staggered, eclipse. Here angle is 0. What is the angle? 0. Rotate 60 degree. Stagger we got. Again rotate 60. Then we got which one? Eclipse form. But there torsional strain is which one? 0. This angle of rotation, just we are rotating how much angle? Not this one. So next, again 60. How much? 180? Again 60. 240? Yes or no? Next, again 60. 300? That much only? 360. Because close no, that is like circle. Now, this graph they will not ask. They ask a question at which angle eclipse form exists. Angle of rotation. At which is form? 0, 120, 240, 360. This question one time asked in the competitive exam. Next, at which angle of rotation will exist the staggered form? 60, 180, 300. Now this energy gap from eclipse to staggered, what is the energy gap? This is 12 kilojoule per mole. 12 kilojoule per mole. This energy higher or lower? This energy higher or lower? If it is higher, then these are not interconverted. Small energy gap is there, that's why these are fast interconverters. That energy, how it is available, whatever is there in the collision, molecules are randomly moved. We study in the kinetic theory of gaseous molecule, in physics also, in chemistry also. That's all. when randomly moved, some collision takes place. Due to collision, some thermal energy they will get. Yes or no? That thermal energy is sufficient to convert into this eclipse into stagger to eclipse. But the thermal energy is not very high than this 12 kilojoule. Actually, that is less only, nearly 4 kilojoule per mole only. But here, how much is there? 12. But also these are randomly, fastly interconverting eclipse to staggered form. How they are interconverting? So, in this rapid interconversion of eclipse to staggered, very 100 molecules are taking in, only 2% molecules are exist in the staggered form, remaining are in eclipse form. So when more number of collision takes place, that 4 kilojoules of more energy and some amount outside, that little bit gain and convert into eclipse to staggered to eclipse. But keep in mind, below 70 or 74 kilojoule per mole is there, such energy of molecule they can interconvert. More than that energy is there, they will not interconvert. That is also one shortcut to remember which are interconvert, which is not interconvert. Roughly remember below 70 kilojoules per mole. They can interconvert. So compare with the 70, this 12, very small amount. When small amount, they can easily interconvert. So this 12 kilojoule mole energy, how we are getting this one? Here torsional strain 4 kilojoule, torsional strain 4 kilojoule, here 4 into 3, 12 kilojoule. This repulsion is there na? Here. So this note on here 4 kilojoule, here 4, here 4, 4 into 3, 12 kilojoule. Here this is next. I am giving one homework for you. CH3, CH2, CH3. For this we have to write the eclipse and staggered conformers for probe A. Then you may ask the question, how to choose first? Choose a CC single bond. Choose a CC single bond. One is front carbon, another is away carbon. This is also CC single bond, this is also CC single bond. Which one you want? First or second one? That is your choice. Here no one is specifying, this is only choose. Because in which way you are observing, from here this side you are observing, not this side you are observing. In that time if you are observing this side, is front carbon. Because if you put here I symbol, then you are observing from this side. If I put symbol here, then you are observing from this side, this is front carbon. If you observe from this side, this is front carbon. Then this is away carbon. For anyone, this is away carbon. Then we choose and draw the eclipse and stagger. Clear this is? Then go for next. That is called next butane. Butane what is CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2. And one more homework also I am giving for you. What is the name of this compound? 2-methyl pentane. How many possibilities are there to choose a CC single bond? Yeah, how many possibilities are there to choose a CC single bond? 5. One possibility, second possibility, third possibility, fourth possibility. Don't tell this is same one. Yes sir? Like this also question will ask. How many CC single bond rotation possible? 4 possible, not 5. Not that answer. And draw the 5 structures. Draw the 5 eclipse form. I am not telling you stagger form. Only eclipse form only draw. Later we will try the first stagger. 5 eclipse form draw for this. 5 or 4? 4. I am confusing with you. 4 only. Now, butane. Here how many possibilities are there? CC single bond. For this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 CC single bond rotation possibility. Okay? Now, here how many possibilities are? 1 possibility, second possibility, third possibility. Yes or no? 1 less is there compared with the carbon number. So now, which one we have to choose? Anyone choose. But frequently, if you observe any group, they are taking this one is the front carbon, this is the back carbon, this is front, this is back. Anyone choose. If I observe this and this front, this is away, back carbon. If you choose, there is no, that explanation part is not that much better one.